Hey everyone, Ray here with Rinksworks. This is a guitar I made back in the early 2000s, I think, for one of my best friends, Rich, who is unfortunately confined to a wheelchair. And I made this so that he could kind of sit with it to give him some anchor point. Um, and he's played the heck out of it. It's got some nice battle scars and dings and dents, character marks. But I have it because it's in need of a tune-up and a good general cleaning, put some new strings on it. Also, these two bridge pivot pins, if you can see, they're gold. And they're gold because a while back I did some work on it for him, and those pins were shot. So I took a set out of another bridge I had that were gold, and so I've got some silver ones now to replace that with, or chrome or whatever, to replace those with. So I'm not going to go into detail on setting this thing up this time, but I thought maybe it'd be fun just to throw it on high speed, and you could just watch me go through it, clean it up, just on high speed. I'll see if I can't find some decent music in iMovie that won't get me copyrighted on YouTube, and we'll just have fun and go through it. So I'll just set up the camera, throw you on fast forward, and we'll see you in a bit. Okay, guitar's been all wiped down. Still a bit of gunk on the fretboard. So I'm going to use 4/0 steel wool. I'm going to go across the grain, which will polish the frets as well, because they are uh, pretty dull. And then we'll go back across this way and take out any scratches. Although this really tight grained ebony, you really can't see much in the way of scratches in this with 4/0 steel wool. First thing I'm going to do, tape over the pickups so that the particles from the steel wool don't get in here and stick to the magnets. And I'll just put a cover over the whole guitar and then polish all these frets. Okay, it's all done. This was an easy one, which is why I didn't go into great detail and just put you on fast forward. So hopefully you just got a little entertainment value out of it. It was more of that than a teaching experience. I made this guitar, and as far as I know, I'm the only one that's ever worked on it, so it just didn't need a whole lot of attention. It was dirty, and we replaced the two tremolo screws. But other than that, it was a super easy setup. Had to adjust the intonation a little bit, but um, nothing major. So maybe I'll do a video sometime. Maybe when I make a guitar, and we'll do a complete setup video on it. Or if I get one in to repair, that's just a basket case, I'll do a video on it. But this one just wasn't worth trying to do something that extreme. So we'll get this back to Rich now, and hopefully he'll enjoy it for years to come. But I think meanwhile, we'll just end this here.